Your Marshall Acton II won't power on, and you're staring at a silent, vintage-styled speaker that should be filling your room with amazing sound? These compact Marshall speakers have specific power management systems that can seem confusing when they fail, but most issues are actually simple fixes. The Acton II's power adapter is more critical than most speakers. Marshall uses a specific voltage and current combination that generic adapters can't match properly. Even adapters with correct voltage ratings might have different current curves that the Acton II's internal circuits reject. Always use the original Marshall power supply, and if you lost it, get an exact replacement from Marshall, not a generic substitute. The power button mechanism is unique to Marshall speakers. It's designed to feel like vintage amplifier switches, but this mechanical complexity can cause problems. The button should click firmly and definitively. If it feels stuck, loose, or doesn't click properly, the internal switch mechanism might be jammed with dust or worn out from use. Try pressing it multiple times while slightly rotating your finger pressure. Power on sequence matters with the Acton II. Unlike simple Bluetooth speakers, this one has an internal amplifier that needs to initialize properly. After plugging in power, wait 10 seconds before pressing the power button. This gives the internal circuits time to stabilize and prevents startup conflicts. Thermal shutdown protection activates if the Acton II overheats. The internal amplifier generates significant heat during operation, and if ventilation is blocked or the speaker was in a hot environment, thermal protection shuts everything down. Unplug the power completely and let it cool for at least 30 minutes. Make sure ventilation holes aren't blocked by dust or placement against walls. The standby power system can malfunction and prevent startup. Even when off, the Acton II maintains power to detect remote control and Bluetooth signals. If this standby circuit fails, the main power system won't respond. Try the full power reset. Unplug for exactly 3 minutes, plug back in, wait 15 seconds, then press power button firmly.